Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The multi-tool just got a reality check.
I love going outdoors, staying connected with great Mother Nature, and staying connected with family and friends. I love sharing my adventures, but I've realized that it's really hard to get access to electricity to stay connected outdoors. The thing is, today's mobile devices use significantly less power than traditional consumer electronics. So one day, I came up with the idea, what if we could convert every energy resource into personal power? I want to introduce you to eStream. It's a portable water-powered generator. It converts any type of running water into stored energy. You can get personal on-demand power with nothing but water energy. This is how it works. Remove the cover. Unfold the turbines and lock them. Hook and release eStream into running water. Let it spin freely to generate electricity. And it charges the built-in battery. It takes approximately 4.5 hours to fully charge one eStream, which can charge up to 3 smartphones, GoPros, or tablet PCs 2 times faster than charging through an outlet. You can also use it as a lantern with 4 different modes, even underwater. eStream works well even in weak current or behind a kayak, and regardless of the weather or time of day. It fits perfectly into any size backpack. It's ideal for use while you enjoy camping, fishing, kayaking, biking, or any other outdoor activities.
We didn't start it just to charge your smartphone at the campsite. We wanted to provide a personal on-demand energy. Our goal is to discover every energy resource around you and convert them into your own power.
We've been working hard to get here to meet you. Our journey has just begun. Please join us in our adventure. Let's embark on this journey together to stay connected as one.
Find a river, charge your phone.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
These are the men of VAT-19. Their mission? Destroy everything in sight. Their weapon of choice? The pocket shot, a compact slingshot that can hurl projectiles up to 350 feet per second.
Word of warning, the pocket shot is not a toy. It's a weapon, so use caution. All right, we found some stuff around the office to destroy, so let's start shooting. That was pretty crazy, but there's still a few things left unbroken, so let's do this. The Pocket Shot also shoots paintballs, making it one violent paintbrush. Do we have anything left to shoot?
Jamie, the only thing left is this. We found it in your office labeled employee gifts.
You can't shoot that. That's your guys' holiday bonus. So ungrateful! Mission accomplished?
Shop for the Pocket Shot and hundreds of other gifts at vat19.com.
vat19.com.
This little guy is absolutely not a toy and can do plenty of damage. For some gifts that absolutely are toys, check out these videos. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video from Vat19.
Meet the next generation of fire with the Camp Stove 2. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Camp Stove 2 provides 50% more power than the Camp Stove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Camp Stove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.